name is Anthony Dominguez, and I'm an advisor at RCBC. We're excited to kick off a series of faculty-led group advising sessions this spring. These virtual workshops allow you to connect directly with our full-time faculty. Get ready to learn about majors, careers, and general tips for success in your semester. Even better, these live sessions give you the opportunity to ask questions and get real-time follow-ups from professors and advisors. Sessions are underway, and we have some great presentations on time management, math anxiety, civility and inclusion, college survival toolkit, using course tools for your success, as well as major-specific information sessions for those who are still deciding, or career sessions for those considering next steps. You can check out all the great options at rcbc.edu/workshops. As always, if you have any questions, connect with advising through virtual walk-in, appointments, or email. Just visit rcbc.edu/advising. Thank you.